Our company is called VolitionRx Limited. We're a cancer diagnostics company, and we're developing blood tests to screen for different cancers. Our lead cancer indication is colorectal cancer. Our competitive advantage is that our diagnostics are blood-based. A lot of other screens out there are not as convenient as a blood-based platform. Most of us give blood annually during our annual physical as part of our normal health workup. So we think that's our main advantage, is that people are quite used to giving blood, and we think a blood-based platform would have a lot of additional participation and get a lot more individuals screened, get them screened a lot earlier, catch a lot more cancers, and save a lot more lives. It's important for VolitionRx to come to an event like this because it's allowing us to get in front of a new investor audience. This event is particularly good because it's exposing us to an investor audience that we normally don't see in our course of our investor relations activities.
Birkwood Resources is a graphite and high-tech mineral exploration company. We're currently exploring in Quebec, northern Canada, and I'm pleased to say that we've been successful in hitting graphite in every single one of our holes that we've just completed in the Phase 1 drill program. Graphite's a unique mineral in the fact that traditionally it's been used in some very boring applications like brakes and pencils and steel. But what's happened over the past few years and what's happening over the next several years is electric vehicles are becoming more and more common. And there's more graphite in an electric vehicle battery than there is lithium. Even Elon Musk's famous quote is a lithium-ion battery shouldn't be called a lithium-ion battery. It should be called a graphite-nickel battery because there's more graphite than there is lithium. Lithium's like the salt on a salad. It's important for Birkwood to come to these types of events because we need to expose our company to new markets and introduce the opportunity down here, particularly in New York, because there's a fair bit of money down here, as we all know. And if we can attract investors into our company, particularly at an early stage like we're at, then there's an opportunity for our investors to potentially make good returns on their investment.
At Fun with Balls, we focus on the future of sports technology. So rather than creating gimmicks that are just going to keep you motivated for a couple of weeks, we create full immersive sports courts which pair gaming and sports like in a totally new experience. Imagine you have a squash court, and everywhere the ball hits the wall, you can actually play Squash Invaders or whatever you want to do. For us, as Fun with Balls, these events are very, very important because we want to get in touch with the key stakeholders of the whole investment industry. The amount of different type of investors that you meet at events like that are perfect for us because we can scale for the exact situation that we want to have right now for our investment.
ShiftPixie is a very disruptive innovation in the labor markets. ShiftPixie is building out one of the most robust on-demand mobile workforces in the country. What we do is work with small business owners to manage and maintain their core team. We call it their home team. And what we do is allow them to access the home team members of our other business owners on our platform. The idea is that they can share employees to fill shift gaps, one employer to the other, on a platform where participants don't have to fill out new employee paperwork, and they can move and take advantage of shift opportunities and openings at will. It's a mobile-based platform and employing a lot of very expensive artificial intelligence to make connections more meaningful between the job provider and the shift worker. ShiftPixie's competitive advantage is that we focus on the part-time labor markets. That's a market that's really neglected by most people that participate in either providing labor or servicing labor. And it's actually one of the largest subsets of the labor market. Part-time labor in America is a population of about 26 million. And our focus is really just on providing a better method of engagement for them, a better access for people that businesses that rely on part-time labor. And again, there's just nobody really approaching that part-time labor market, and there's certainly nobody that's leveraging technology, especially today's mobile technology, in a way to connect all these moving parts in that labor market. Right now, ShiftPixie is a very good opportunity for an investor to come in and participate. The company continues to grow at a very rapid rate. We are well capitalized. We're investing heavily in our technology, which has led to and helping us to really grow the business very quickly. We've been on one of the fastest revenue growth tracks of almost anybody that's come out and traded on the public markets in recent history. So I think when people understand understand the story, they look at the company by the numbers, and they see what the market opportunity that we're tracking to, I think they'll find it's a very compelling investment.